This is the second episode of conversion from UIKit to SwiftUI, and today we will mimic the hierarchy of UIKit views in SwiftUI. First of all, I renamed the folders that have these views to UIKit views, and then I will create additional folder for the SwiftUI views. Right here. So we need new SwiftUI view here. So let's call it home screen. I will use UIV controller representable that allows me to work with it. So it will take a UIKit view and convert it into the SwiftUI view that represents it in the hierarchy. Like you see, we have this particular type, like home view controller right now, and there is no need. Okay, we need here ID, like static let ID equal, and this ID is like name of home view controller. It should correspond to the view storyboards. Okay, and let's rename this file. I call it screen because actually views that are screens I call screens, and views that like composition of that I create a screen, it's like views for me. Let's run on simulator. Okay, and one more step. Router content view, and here we should return home screen. Okay, so it works. Yeah, everything worked fine. Thank you for your time. See you in the next episode.